Well, let's talk about core. We finished it. We knocked it out of the park. The last 3 weeks have been a big push. So this week we're going to take a bit of a break and we're going to perform a couple of retakes, makeup tests, everything that we need to button up our files. We're going to do individual audits on our filing system and make sure that they're ready to be submitted and uploaded so that we can get our proper certification. That's going to be a good bit of work, and I'm going to need everybody, all hands on deck. We're also going to take our breath as we move into the Welding 1 certification. So what I'm going to need for everyone to do is go ahead and start looking in Schoology in week 13 and reviewing the content. We're going to start off with some safety and some oxyacetylene cutting and some plasma cutting before we move into the shielded metal arc welding, aka SMAL. Shielded metal arc welding, rods, stick welding, you know the drill. We're going to have a nice entry into the Welding 1 cert, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in lab and in Zoom.